Hi, I hope you guys are doing awesome because I am today. It's so good to be here with you. Today I want to talk about number 8, Olaplex. It smooths, gives shine, hydrates, and gives volume. Yay, great. I love the Olaplex line because it repairs, it keeps the integrity of the hair. I use it in all the color that I do my salon services with. So this is a intense moisturizer. You put it on for 10 minutes, mid hair down, starting with 2 pumps. For thicker hair, you do more. For finer hair, you can do less. So it is now available at Deanna Pagan's Hair Designs, number 8 Olaplex for $28. I hope you guys have an awesome, beautiful, amazing day. And it was so good to see you. Bye.